So, good day, sir. I am John Carl Gotostos, a BSMT student, section Antares. So, today I'm going to give a brief discussion regarding of my answer to the given CO2 assessment in the subject course Basic Shipmanship 1. So, we have here task 1. Task 1 is describe the procedure to safe mooring operation, making fast and casting of the line. So we have here safe mooring should follow the following safety procedure. First is planning, says because when a crew should plan how to mooring in a port. Next, toolbox meeting. Next is wear a PPE or personal protective equipment to be worn in mooring operation. So, dapat ang officer should wear the proper PPE, no? Para in case of kanang disgrasya, sir, medyo ma-lessen ang mahatag na effect sa person. So, sufficient number of crew. Yes, in mooring we should have the sufficient or they have the right amount or right person nga ato nga ipadala or ato maghatag ng manpower during mooring. Next is communication. Yes, it is very important to communicate with the front deck or the bridge. Next is check mooring rope and equipment. Yes, before mooring, we should check our equipment, our ropes. Kay base di ay og naanay mga ugta or dali ran lang na mabugto. So, isa na maka-cause ng disgrasya sa ato mga shift crew. Avoid stiff angles. So, kanang sa dili magpahita ka kung asa mo giod kay na ay specific nga way sa barko, especially sa ships sa barko nga ana ra gyud pwede mo agi ang mga crews. Continuous monitoring. Yes, if naka-moor na ta or nakadock na kita ang ato barko sa ang ato ship sa port, we should always continue monitoring it because during high tide and low tide, maybe there is possibility nga mo tighten or mo hugot ang ato rope nga maghatag ng tension sa rope nga mabugto siya, no? Task 1.1. Draw a snapback zone based on the given illustration. So, I have here a drawing of mine, sir, as you can see. This is the given illustration, this true figure, and the shaded place is what I think or what I see is the snapback zone. This one, the shaded place, this is the snapback zone. Task number 2. Describe the procedure of safety operation during anchor and weighing anchor. So we have here, first, before you can anchor your ship, first you have to request the engine room for the power on deck. Yes, kay lisod pod og birabirahon na nimo ng angkla sa kuan, di ka mo gamit og mga machines para mas madali ang trabaho, no? Isod pod alsa-alsahon nimo ng angkla nga perting bugata. Next, take on the third class head and strike hammer, crowbar, oil can, goggles, portable HV sets, and all night a torch. If night, a torch. Yes. When anchoring, we should also wear a proper proper attire or proper nga ginagamit sa pag-anchoring ng ship. Especially mga safety shoes, safety goggles para sa iwas kay anchor baya na bugat. Then, if duyom ka mag-anchor, we need a torch or kanang makahatag sa ato nga suga, flashlight, kanang headlight, ana. Take off the hot piece covers, head, go to the lashing and the chain locker. Yes, tanggalan nato ang mga kuan kanang naglock sa chain. And make sure that the brakes are on and wind glass and out of gears. So dapat wala gears ang wind glass. Turn the wind glass over slowly and oil the moving part on the stream wind glass and drain clucks must all be opened and drain the water. Put one anchor in gear. Remove the devil's clowns and any other lashing. Remove the compressor bar and cement and cover the other filling from the separating pipe. Make sure that the weighing of the anchor is held by brick and that the gears throughout in are clear. Take out of the gear. Prepare the other anchor using the same procedure. Yes, because sa kanang sa ang barko dahil na duha ka anchor sa left side sa right side ng deck, ng front deck, I mean. Inform the officer clear and the bridge on each VHF that the anchor is ready for lowering. Clear for the hose pipe. Yes, after nimo nga ma-clear na nga ready na ang kuan ang anchor para imo i-drag down or imo na siya ibuhian or imo na siya ipakato sa water, you should inform your commanding officer or your captain nga kanang tao sa bridge nga, sir, we are ready, we can proceed to anchoring our ship, no ana. Next, place one anchor in gear with ordered to the lower way of the officer. Take off the brakes and lower slowly until the anchor is out of the shower's pipe. Yes, so pag na-clear na and mo-order na ang imong officer nga kuan na slow down or ipanaog ng anchor, you should take off the brake, ang brake nga nag-hold sa anchor nga mo go down and slowly nga slowly nga ipanaog ang anchor. Next, the crew brakes tighten home and lock out of the gear. So after nga mag-gear in place ng anchor, in place ng tanan ng inyong ship, you should lock the gears nga para di na siya maghingas-hingas tong mga kadena or tong mga gigamit sa anchor, no, sa gi-connect sa anchor. So task number 3, describe the procedure of safety operating using crane derrick during lifting operation. So we have here, first, always check the equipment before you use it. Yes, syempre nga na kanang sa crane or kanang derrick. By the way, clear and derrick are tools used to uplift or to lift some heavy equipment, heavy loads, used to unload and used for loading and unloading a ship or a marine vessel. Yes, so dapat we should check it before we use it. Kay basi di ay naidaot, naibugto ana ang mga kabilya bugto or kanang what do you call this one, kanang murag wire ba sa kuryente nga mo'y ginagamit. By the way, ana, dapat i-check. Perform periodic inspection and maintenance task. Yes, dapat na ay maintenance ana before gamiton, kay inigamit nimo if wala na maintenance, if let's say na daot na, so may tendency nga dili na siya safe nga gamiton. Ensure that training is up to date. Yes, so we should also dili lang ang crane ang atong i-check. We should also kuan kanang isa lang alang ang ato self kung kaya pa ba nato mag-drive. What if bag-o na ni nga crane or bag-o na derrick ang atong gamiton, di na same sa una. So maong dapat ato i-up to date ang ato skills. Use the necessary safety equipment. Yes, kanang magkuan ta dapat na pa yung safety equipments, no? Never stand under the load. Yes, it is very 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 prohibited, or let's say dili ka sa angay, no? Dili kita angay mo stand sa kanang example kanang crane na ana dira na ay load nya nakakasalayom. What if mabugto naman kitahay na, no? Simba ko lamang. So lata jud ka. And task number 4. Describe the procedure of the safe operation of the use of rope stopper during mooring. So, describe daw. So, unsaon daw paggamit ng rope, Titan rope, if mag-mooring na kita. So, yes, first, secure one end of the stopper and near the bit of possible. This is done by receiving one end of the stopper through the eye of the other end of the sleeping end bait. Second, lay the stopper over the mooring hawser or wire and watch carefully. It will be found that if the stopper is made fast on the right for the hoist when looking along the outward going part of the hawser, the stopper nuts has to be started from the top. Yes, so kanang when we say stopper rope and mooring, kanang usually kanang ang mga rope nga ginagamit sa kanang mooring ba kanang paglock ng mga rope sa during mooring period, kana mga ginagamit nga rope. Next, take a half pinch. Next, take the right turn as far as rolling, pinch back up and stopper rope as shown in fig, and take a number of knots round and a mooring rope which with the lay. Yes, kanang stopping rope kanang paghikot kung sa bangka pa, kanang paghikot na nimo sa imong barko, no? Sa imong pambot. So I think that's all, sir, and thank you.